Okay, Google. It's time I introduce myself. My name is Megan Sudak, and I am a business and technology educator at Beverly High School in Beverly, Massachusetts. I'm a Google certified educator. I'm a master educator through the University of Arizona's Take Charge Today, where one of my duties is to prepare lessons and primers for teachers to show them how they can use Google tools in teaching financial education. I've been a high school teacher for 17 years, and just like Google, I need to stand out in a crowd. Today was another BTW, Bowtie Wednesdays. It's something I started this year as a way to showcase not only my creativity, but also to show students it's okay to take risks. I believe in staying relevant and engaging in the classroom, and I will go to any length to grab my audience's attention. I've been fortunate to have facilitated over 25 trainings over the past 2 years for educators, paraprofessionals, and administrators. I believe that learning doesn't end when you get a degree. Rather, it is a continual journey. The traditional passive learning model is broken, and the least I can do is help fix that problem.
Okay, Googlers, I wanted to give you a quick little tutorial about a feature offered in Google Forms when using it as a quiz for assessment in your courses. Google's provided us the opportunity to now give feedback on individual questions, which is a time saver and helps both students and teachers keep a conversation going. Let me show you how this is done. Here's an example quiz, and as you can see, I have 28 responses. There are 2 ways I can give feedback on individual questions. The first is to go into the individual student's response and scroll through. And as you can see on these short answer, I can click Add Individual Feedback. However, I find the most efficient way is to go through the Question tab. I'm going to go to question 5. On this page, I can now grade each student's response to this specific question all in one place. I take a look at the response and I can click Add Feedback. Here, I can leave a comment. I can say, great work, and then I could also even copy and paste a comment that I may have used earlier. Here, I can simply add a link, and then I can add text classroom, and I click Add. I can add multiple links, so I can leave multiple articles or places for students to take a look at, and I hit Save. Once I've gone through and graded everybody's response, I then will go down, and at the bottom, I will hit the Save button. Once I've graded all of these, I will hit Save at the bottom, and then I can release the scores. As always, if you have any questions or want to learn something new in Google Apps for Education, shoot me a tweet or an email.
Keep driving, everybody.
Have a great day.